Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce SupplySense AI, Pibythree's AI-powered demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and supply chain intelligence platform. Manufacturers today generate massive amount of operational data across ERP systems, warehouses, plants, distributors, and procurement functions. However, planning decisions are still largely driven by historical reports, spreadsheets, and manual analysis. The result is delayed demand visibility, excess inventory, stockouts, and working capital locked across the supply chain. SupplySense AI addresses this challenge by bringing all supply chain intelligence into a single AI powered platform. It combines demand forecasting, inventory intelligence, executive dashboard, a control tower, and an AI copilot to enable faster data driven decisions. Let me show you how the platform works. We start by exploring the platform. This is the login page for SupplySense AI. The platform supports enterprise-grade authentication and role-based access, ensuring that executive planners, warehouse managers, and supply chain teams each receive information tailored to their responsibilities. I will log in by using the executive account. After login, we are welcomed by the executive dashboard. This dashboard provides leadership with a real-time overview of the entire supply chain ecosystem. Instead of reviewing multiple reports from different departments, executive can immediately understand demand trends, inventory health, forecast accuracy, service levels, and the potential risk from a single screen. Every KPI is continuously updated and designed to highlight areas that require immediate attention, helping leadership move from reactive reporting to proactive decisions. Let's move towards the KPI cards. At the top of the dashboard, we present the key operational metrics. These include forecast accuracy, inventory utilization, service levels, stock availability, inventory value, and overall supply chain performance. Rather than simply displaying numbers, the platform continuously analyzes these KPIs, identifies anomalies, and prioritizes the health have the greatest business impact. This allows executive to focus on decisions rather than searching through reports. Let's move towards the next step, forecast. The demand forecasting applies AI model to historical sales, seasonal trends, and operational data to generate future demand forecast. Users can analyze forecast by product, region, warehouse, customer segment, or business unit. The platform not only predicts future demands but also provides confidence level and identifies the key business drivers influencing each predictions across several regions, several products, several dealer types, and also plant specified as well. This helps planning teams improve the forecast accuracy while reducing stockouts and excess inventory. Let's move towards the inventory intelligence. Here we gain complete visibility into inventory across plants, warehouses, and distribution centers. The platform identifies slow-moving inventory, excess stock, stockout risk, and inventory imbalance between locations. AI continuously evaluates inventory positions and recommends optimal pre-implementation strategies, enabling organizations to improve inventory utilization while reducing working capital requirements. There are several regions across the inventory is being spread out. Let's move towards the supply chain control tower. This is the supply chain control tower. The control tower provides an end-to-end operational view of supply chain. It monitors procurement, manufacturing, inventory movement, logistics, and warehouse operations in real time. Whenever disruptions occur, such as supply delay, transportation issues, inventory shortage, or demand spikes, the platform immediately highlights the affected areas and recommends appropriate action. Instead of reacting after problem occurs, organization can anticipate disruption and respond much more earlier. Let's move towards the AI Copilot. One of the most powerful capabilities of this platform is the AI Copilot. Rather than navigating multiple dashboards, business users can simply ask questions using natural language. For example, if we ask, why did demand increase North India last month? So it will analyze by reasoning throughout the data and gave us a proper graphical representation of why the particular condition apply for the specified request. This significantly reduces the time required to analyze complex supply chain, while making advanced analytics accessible to businesses users without technical expertise. Let's move toward the executive view. In the executive view, beyond operational monitoring, the platform also provides comprehensive reporting and analytics. Decision makers can analyze trends over time, compare business units, evaluate operations performance, monitor strategic KPIs through interactive dashboards. Reports can be exposed and shared across business teams, ensuring consistent visibility throughout the organization. To summarize, SupplySense AI transform fragmented supply chain data into actionable business intelligence. By combining AI-driven demand forecasting, inventory optimization, executive intelligence, real-time operational visibility, and conversational AI, the platform enables organizations to make faster, more informed decisions across the entire supply chain. Thank you for your time.